Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners on Bob Iacino. Just want to highlight a great little setup you should watch for. This is Spotify, the one I don't normally cover on this channel, but just wanted to show you a really nice horizontal channel. If I jump out to the longer term chart, so you can see it held the rotation zone. It pulled away from the rotation zone, formed this horizontal channel. Well, the rotation zone catch up. See, it never closed below the bottom of the rotation zone. All right, this actually gave us a really nice significant level down there. Then rotated back up, closing above the top of the channel. Fantastic play to watch for. You can see it on the 4-hour moving averages went flat and wavy, which we've talked about. That's just consolidation, started to break out, moving averages started to separate. Even on the weekly, if you jump out here, pulled far away from the rotation zone. What do we watch for then? Either a correction and return to the rotation zone, or to drift sideways, letting the rotation zone catch up. And look at this, drift sideways, letting the rotation zone catch up. So it gave you really nice prep for that on every time frame. Then here's yesterday on the 4-hour closing above there at the end of the day. Then we did a projection out from key lows back on 16th of March up to the top of the channel highs. There's also other projections you can do. Maybe we'll go over some time based off the horizontal channel. So we were watching 208.29, gapping above there and pulling right back to there. And again, a failed gap retrace generally has momentum to the upside, so this would be a breakaway gap for right now. Then we were watching 219.30. Had to drop down to the shorter term charts once it blew through there. So here we got a pausing bar. See, next bar didn't touch this high, pausing bar, and we went from the move that started it. So here's those bottom of the channel. Here's the move that started it. Gave us next level 225.90, spiking through there. Didn't get to 231.30, but formed this mini double top, pulling back to the rotation zone. So let me look. That gives us, let's jump back out to the 4-hour. This is, we have this pausing bar now on the 4-hour. This is a bit overextended now, so just keep that in mind. Would not be chasing this, so that's not why we're putting it out. Just wanted to show that pattern. So do not just think, this continued guarantee go up tomorrow. If it does rally above 229.50, next targets are 236.07, 242.60 to 244.58. Those are the next targets, the next key targets above. Next major ones, 259.63. Now this is very overextended and left behind a gap. The 4-hour rotation zone is all the way back at 203. Tomorrow, if we start pulling back, I'm going to be watching this low, this key low from today, which is coming in, what is that, 207.27. So this rotation is going to keep rising. Going to be focused on that 207.27. If we do close below there, then I will start watching for the gap fill, and the major area then is that $200 mark. It might spike if we do fill everything. Sometimes these come back down or test a breakout area, which is 196.47, but that 200 is going to be key because that's going to be a gap fill into the 4-hour rotation zone. In order to play it shorter term, you'd have to be down on like a 15-minute where it's just basing sideways. So if this does rotate up first thing in the morning, it's 236.07, 242.60. If it starts breaking down below 222, then I'd be going out to about the 1-hour chart and watching your key area of about 219.60. That'll start raising, so it'll probably be about 220, but that's going to be the next key pullback area, which would be the 1-hour rotation zone, where I'd watch to see if then it starts rotating back up. But just wanted to show you that longer term pattern. We've seen a lot of these recently, and this was a really nice one using multi-time frame analysis, breaking out and then moving through the key targets. So we have for you on Spotify, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.